What's up, you guys? And today I'm back with another video. So we are doing some slime videos. We are doing this pet slime video because this is in a too long. It's wet. So guys, I got this slime. It is so sticky. All we just gonna do is play with this number. Do some pet peeves. I'ma just talk too much. I just talk too much, right? You guys? This kind of knows I talk too much. I got like 3 videos. I need to make a channel. I'll make a channel. Y'all better come check my video out.
There's so much confidence emanating from this side of the room right now. But I don't feel like you guys are backing down. No. It's going to be a real show here in a second. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, we're gonna sketch. And then I'll set up our station. We're doing 5 tiers. We're gonna have a planet in the middle. I get a lot of really unique weddings where we're doing superhero themes, Star Wars themes. Of course, I default to the fact that I am a huge nerd. Space is cool. Nerds are cool. We're gonna have stars and telescopes.
I need to make a little hole.
We are going to create a 5-tier white galaxy cake. We're gonna do a vanilla cake with a champagne buttercream filling. And our surprise is that we are hiding colorful planets in the cake. The whole concept is to be real subtle with appearance.
I'm making more sketchy.
Wow factor in the center of the cake. Wanna know what saves time, ladies? What? Measuring out your ingredients by weight.
This is white slime. You can't choose it. Did you know that you want your slime is one is white and then turn to gray? And I don't like it. It look like a gray color.
I am working on the planets right now. And this is going into the
And I'm so hungry.
We're at
So
3:15.
I'm gonna go get my chicken nuggets and warm it up. So let me go get it. I can't do that because I got some oatmeal. Because I'm not even gonna say it. On that.
We almost never
This is table cream.
getting the cakes out of our pants.
Those flips. There's one out.
These take a little bit.
Yeah,
They're getting colder. They're just still a little bit warm. Time is ticking away. Our cakes still aren't done. And I'm starting to get a little bit stressed.
it's a giant slime. Turn to glitter.
2 hours! 2 hours! How you feeling, buddy? We have 2 hours left. I feel like I've got enough time. Viv, I'm making a planet. Get it, girl! I decided to pump up our out-of-this-world cake with silver stars that kind of wrap around and a planet right in the middle of the tiers. Alright, we're trying this again.
I can make sure.
We are struggling to get these cakes out of the pan again. The blowtorch.
I like to make sure that I'm just playing with the slime. I'm not making sure with that.
Yeah.
That kind of shit.
Alright, Sam, I'm all done on the star. Oh, babe. The whole bottom is stuck. So we gotta peel the bottom back off and put it back on the cake. These are looking pretty solid for having been baked in the last hour and a half. The competition can't even get their cakes out of the pan. Oh, babe. No. Ours are already all frosted and almost ready for decoration. I think we're gonna win this thing. Alright. Depanning our cakes. We're gonna do a little cake surgery.
I can add some glitter from off of this.
Champagne. I got this champagne. Here you go. Thanks. That side. I'm going to give us a crisscross on the top so that air can escape. And all the way over to these. Alright. This one's done. Fingers. 1 hour left. Brianna, Bonnie, feeling good? You guys feeling confident? Yeah. I want to know the surprise.
The surprise is our tiger stripe inside.
Okay.
We have a cinnamon vanilla cake in there, and we mixed it so that some was pink and some was white.
And guys, I forgot I was hungry, and if I want to use glue, I can use it, but I'm making it. You never use glue in slime.
Surprise in your cake
You don't
today.
know. You can do it to your slime.
Yeah, looks like she's making a messed up
You
mess.
don't want to know.
Or
I think it's
plan
like
our
a
It
do
does. It looks exactly like her.
It's a celestial body.
Celestial light.
I'm not going to try to this slime. Try to another slime.
Significant others.
I wasn't hitting on you. There's no need to tell me that you have a husband.
My first attempt at making something was cheesecake. Ended up meeting my husband through those cheesecakes. All you single ladies out there, make cheesecake and snag a husband. Trademark.
Our surprise is that you have a galaxy inside of the cake.
Yeah,
You'll
maybe.
have to see it when we cut it.
That sounds unbelievable. Good luck, bakers. Good luck,
It's
bakers.
not sticking. No, yeah.
Can you make it a little pointy at the end? You don't want it to look like, I don't know. A little shaky. Let us on. Let's go. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Oh my god. Where did the time go? We have one more star right here. Information.
Big? Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Here it goes.
5, 4, 3,
So that
2, 1.
build up.
I'm super happy with how our cake turns out. It's magnificent and it's exactly what I wanted to do.
It's not.
This is something that we would typically spend
Oh my
several
god.
days
I can eat my food and put the slime back into the corner, and I have a milk of it. Skin on my nose. I can't paint it with green. Yeah, I want to do that. Comment down below if y'all like green. Comment down below what's your favorite color.
Judges.
Bye,
Let's look at the
guys.
outside.
And I have enough.
Well, I feel
Love
like this
y'all.
cake is very strongly identifying with
Love
the two of you.